The question was whether I prefer electronic textbooks or electronic books or printed books for everything that I would do with books. And I think I'll answer that two ways. For pleasure or magazines or anything like that that I'd like to read, then I prefer to have it electronically, because then on my devices like the smartphone or pad, then I can get to it anywhere. So if I'm sitting at a train station, I can get to that material and read the books that I read for pleasure. But when you talk about a textbook for class and the class that I teach, then when students come see me, I need to refer to the book. And for that reason, I like a printed book, so like I can turn to the page and refer to it instead of taking them to a computer and actually showing them online.
Okay. So my preference, I don't really have a preference, but I think ebooks are probably the in thing right now because a lot of the books are sort of like interactive, which allows the students to focus on the areas that they need the most attention on. So I think ebooks slightly edge textbooks for me. For that particular reason, you can easily highlight sections that you want to go back to, page mark, and all those things. For me, I enjoy using the textbook because I'm not used to looking at a screen for a long time. But I think for students, probably ebooks is the best way to go.
I think both print books and ebooks have their own value. Ebooks are more convenient, certainly, but students often prefer print books because it's easier on the eyes to read the printed page. Personally, I would prefer if we had enough budget to buy two copies of every book, one in print and one electronic, but that's not going to happen.